Hi, this is Ken from 2 Car Pros. I'm here today to show you how to fix an EVAP problem on your GMC car or truck. This information kind of pertains to really all cars that have an EVAP system, which is most of them today, and this is how we're going to do it. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a scanner like this. You don't need the high dollar ones because these work just fine. Let's go ahead and get plugged in and see what codes we have. Connect it to your ALDL connector, and you'll see the system powers up. Go ahead and turn the key to the on position, and let's get started. Turn that radio on. Okay, so now we have the code reader in hand. You can see it wants to read the code, so let's do that. Working. And there it is. EVAP emission system has a sensor erratic. It's pretty common on these cars. If you have the vacuum supply that's erratic to it, it's going to give you this code. It's a pretty sensitive system, so let's try to figure out why. Here we go. Let's remove the cover. That's not too bad. Now the EVAP system is pretty basic. It takes manifold vacuum, feeds it through a control solenoid right here, as you can see, and then on back to the tank. So what you need to do is make sure that the vacuum supply is not interrupted due to leaks and stuff. I've already checked this one out, and I've found that right here you can see that this connection right here, you can see that this connection right here is loose. See how loose that is right there? So the seal on the hose itself that goes to the solenoid is failed. So we're going to go ahead and replace this line right here, and that should take care of the problem. Okay, now these are held on with a simple clip that just has to be released. This one's on the back side. If you just take a screwdriver and push it forward, you can see it kind of releasing right here. It's got a little tang on the back side and just comes right off. Yeah, not bad at all. So it's pretty easy. You just have to do the same on the solenoid part. So it's loose right here. This has a little tang. Just release the clip, push it down. There you go. So that'll give you a better idea how the clip works. See, it's pretty simple. And pull it right off there. Not bad. This one's being a bit there. Okay, it's not coming off there. There we go. There we go. And there's the hose. There's the piece. So what happens is the O-rings fail inside here. And that's what lets the vacuum out, and that's no good. Cars don't like that, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. So it's a good idea to wipe these clean, because you don't want any dirt in there and cause a leak. That's going to give you problems. And you want to make sure you do both ends. Okay, so we got the replacement hose here. Alright, from GM itself, we want to match these up, make sure they're the same. And they are, which is nice. And we got the two ends themselves. Make sure they're right, which they are. So we're going to go ahead and install this now. I like to go ahead and start with a little lubrication in these because, like I said, it's plastic and you got an O-ring. And you need that O-ring to seal perfectly without any kind of problems, so that's a good idea to use a little WD-40 in there. It doesn't hurt anything. And let's install it. Okay, because it's such a tight fit in there, I'm going to release this solenoid so I can actually have it so it is easier to put on, so I don't ruin the new O-ring while I'm putting this in. This has a simple tang piece that releases the solenoid. You can see it comes right off there. So you have one of these little hook picks things, these are really handy. Okay. Now you can easily put this on without disturbing the O-ring seal. Wait, there's a nice click there, which really helps. Then simply push the solenoid back onto the holder. Right there, that's all set. Put the wiring back the way it was. And just simply push this piece back on. There you go. Get a nice click on there for you. And you can tell it's a lot tighter now. It doesn't wobble around like it used to down here on this piece. And you can see on here that how tight it is. You can tell that is much better than over the old one. That one just gets vibrated and comes loose. This truck has about 130,000 on it, so it's about when these things start to fail. Simply put the cover back on. And your hose is trapped underneath there. And that's how you fix your EVAP problem. Let's go ahead and clear those codes now. Okay, well, I got the key on, and now I'm just going to clear these codes here. Go ahead and hit the erase portion of it. Two codes found. Would you like to erase? Yes. These scanners are very handy, work very well. I've had this one for a couple years already, and it's really all you need. 0 codes remain, so that's it. Press enter to continue. Read codes just to double check. We just want to make sure no codes are present before we give it back to the customer. Pass. Isn't that nice? So easy. Okay, this is Ken Lapko of 2 Car Pros. I'm glad you got to see me fix an EVAP problem, which a lot of you guys have out there. And more videos to come. Thanks for watching.